welcome to TheBelleArtistry. My name is Pooja. I'm a professional makeup artist and a hairstylist. Since it's quarantine, we are stuck at home, we cannot go out. Even if we are not going out anywhere, we still would want our brows to look at least presentable. So here I am. I have made this video especially for you on how to do your brows at home. It's DIY brow. As you can see, my brows are completely done. So let's see how did we get this result from that one. So as you can see, my brows are not at all done. I have got a full growth. So now we are going to try and fix it. I'm going to tell you what all you would need. First is a small scissor. Any tweezer would do. I have a small one. A razor. And any of these brushes would do. Just to brush up your hair. That's it. The first step is to brush up your hair upwards. This way you will be able to see some extra growth over here. You need the tweezer. Try taking it out one by one. Now I'm going to use the razor. You need to stretch your skin. As you can see, a small growth over here. You can just take that out. And to make this even, again we're going to use the razor. Make sure you use it in one direction and you need to pull this. Now I'm just gonna go brush it again upwards. As you can see, I haven't applied any brow product. I've just brushed up the hair and you can see the difference. I hope you enjoyed the video, learned something. Let us know in the comments below if you try this. Any sort of suggestions are always welcome. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home. Happy makeup. Take care.